Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin reached a new milestone early on October 5th, touching 125,700, surpassing the previous peak of around 124,500 from August. This marks about a 3% daily move and roughly 10% over the past week, signaling sustained strength in market participation and demand. In my video yesterday, I mentioned the possibility of revisiting lower levels near 121,000 or 120,200 before another move upward. However, Bitcoin showed little patience for retracement, continuing its momentum with limited pullbacks after an extended period of sideways pressure. On the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin emerged from a descending wedge structure with notable momentum. The move followed a clean break through dynamic support, leading to a sweep of earlier resistance. All this happened on low money flow in an RSI in the 50s. This kind of structured advance reflects how technical setups can align with broader order flow conditions. Looking at the liquidity heat maps, on the one-day view, we see concentrated positions building near 125,900. On the 3-day chart, the next notable level sits around 117,900, about 5.5% below the current range, which seems distant for now. The previous cluster near 124,400 was absorbed as the market advanced through that area. And on the 1-week view, they're still focused near 117,800, with some activity also appearing above, between 125,900 and 128,500. Spot-based exchange-traded products recorded over $3.2 billion in net inflows during the week ending October 3rd, the second highest reading ever. These inflows contributed to upward momentum as the market entered the Asian session on October 5th. Whether participants next week absorb higher levels or wait for adjustments remains to be seen, but the low exchange reserves continue to shape short-term supply dynamics. Meanwhile, sentiment indicators such as the so-called bull market peak index from CoinGlass reset to 0 out of 30, even as online discussions speculate about potential cycle tops. Some community projections reference earlier models suggesting a peak in October 2025, though those numbers mainly serve illustrative purposes rather than precise forecasts. Comparing historical halving cycles shows that Bitcoin is currently on day 505 of the post-halving period. The average time to reach a cycle high in past eras has been around 585 days, pointing to a potential timing window near late December 2025. Historically, accelerations around this stage have been followed by corrections, but the current environment appears more tempered than in prior cycles. This framework offers a useful lens for contextualizing where we may be in the broader pattern, balancing both upside potential and cyclical awareness. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart discussions, leave a comment for the algorithm, click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with notifications turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.